So,
Hey, and welcome to this episode of the Tudor. Today we're going to put the radiator, the restored radiator, back in and hopefully get the header and the car to work again. So, yee-haw! This episode is dedicated to Charlie Watts, the late drummer of the Rolling Stones, one of my absolute favorite bands. I'm born in the late 70s, but I've listened to Rolling Stones all my life. So, sad news. 80 years old, been a drummer for 60 odd years for the Stones. So, he had a great life, I think. So, rest in peace, Charlie Watts. See you. Here is the newly restored radiator. It's only the top and bottom left of the old one. Even the overfilling tube is new and the core is new. And these little fasteners for the electrical to the headlights on the other side. And the tip on this one is new as well. So yeah, it's a completely new restored radiator with the old rusty, crusty grill shell. Yay! Yeah, ready. This lower radiator hose is a pain in the to get fitted, but it shouldn't be impossible. If you look at this, it always ends up underneath, so I have to jiggle around to get it fitted. Easiest way probably is to remove it up here, fit that down there and just try to wiggle it, wrestling with it, and then just wrestling with it up here instead of there. So going tight, that's good. So let's fiddle with the bolts on the bottom of the radiator and tighten these, the last step. The Hagberg Model 1 is a friend borrowed that one to race at Rømø in Denmark last weekend. So I will get this back tomorrow. It looks like it has been leaking. Yeah. So that's great. Yay. But yeah, onto the bolt down there. So this one sits on a little like a 3mm distance, and a rubber piece over here. Let's just find the hole. The radiator will go a bit this way, like that. So the metal piece first in, and the rubber piece, and then we'll make the bolt fit, but like that. And then a bolt like this, fine, very fine thread, and a spring, so the radiator can move around a bit. Funny thing, but yeah, that's how it is. So in about an hour, when I find the hole for the bolt, we'll cut back to the studio. Like that. One side ready, and the other side is ready in a... So yeah. So the radiator's in. The hoses, both upper and lower, are tightened. So the only thing I need to do now is electrical. Like that. So this is the temporary fix. Well, yeah. This should be good for another year with this car. So hopefully I connected them all right. Well, this one is quite simple, but these three, I have no idea. So let's check out which one I have to swap around. This should be park. And it's... Yeah. Let's check out low beam. High, low, high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low. So there's not much difference between high and low beam anyway, so never mind. I can drive with high beam, no reaction from the oncoming traffic at all. So I will just jump I will just tape these together. I will isolate, of course, these four and then tape them together. It looks like this. So, if you want to burn your car down, I can teach you how. Just follow my instructions here with the electrical No, actually they are quite good, isolated with shrink wrap and electrical tape, and then just this is like fabric tape. I think it's for hockey clubs or something like that. So looks good, all dirty. So now the electrical is fixed. It's just wait until tomorrow to get my header. Yay!
Tomorrow for sure.
Ta-da! So this looks like it has been leaking around these two, so I will get something chewing gum to make the gasket work like this. And then to the next one. So I had it smeared on this as well. Hopefully it will be a bit more less leaky, not a bit more leaky. So there. As you can see, I haven't done anything about this yet. Lazy bastard. Cheers. So it works. It just needs water. I don't have any water in it yet, so that was just a successful test start. Hallelujah. Yeah, that's it for this episode. Hopefully a short and sweet one. Hope you liked it. As I said earlier, this episode is dedicated to Charlie Watts, drummer of Rolling Stones from '62 until recently. I'm a huge Rolling Stones fan. They have been an inspiration for me musically all my life. So sad news. But yeah, he was 80. Well, hope you enjoyed this episode. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and press like if you liked it. If you didn't like this episode, dislike twice. See you. Bye. Ow!